I'll be doing a YouTube video. I'm going to be mixing all my slimes together. I'm finna get them. So, okay, we're going to get straight into the video. I'm not going to be mixing all my slimes together. I'm just going to be mixing this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. That's all I'm going to be mixing. First one I'm going to take is this one. It does poke and stretch. This is the first one. I'm going to be mixing this one. I'm going to be mixing this one. I'm going to be mixing this one. And I'm sorry I forgot their names, so I'm going to be mixing that one. I remember this one. This one is mint, and it smells like mint too. I'm going to be making this one. This one is kind of hard. I had it for a longer time. Okay, this is all my slimes that I'm going to be mixing up. How would I do this?
Never disrespect. Not successful. You pull this shit. Just the boss. Shit is speculation. I'm talking to all of y'all. Male shouldn't be jealous. That's a female trait. What you mad? Cause you sell down. You sell me. I gotta buy a bigger plate. More cabbage.
I have one more, but I left it around the cart on a mistake. So this is the slime is like a gray, and it's yellow type, lime green in it. Yes, that's it. And I'll let me cap this up. And go check out my video. I show one of the times that I made some slime, it was this yellow slime. Bye. I'll do another video maybe tomorrow.